So hi guys, this is a video on how to change the bulbs in the back of your VW Golf Mk7. This is a 2015 one. These are all exactly the same. These are just a big fixed unit. Super simple to get out. You go around the back. Okay, so you've got to get this from the inside, and you'll see here there's a little flap. So as you see guys, you've got to get this thing, you've got to get this from the inside, and there's a little flap there. You pull that back and it's as simple as turning that thing around. Now that thing, you turn it clockwise to tighten up, and it's anti-clockwise to take the thing out. It's incredibly tight, but because there's a big, you can see that big spring on it, but it's, other than being super tight, it's all pretty straightforward. Okay, so I'll try and do it. Oh, it's actually easier than I expected. Just turn it around anti-clockwise. These are tight. It's tight because of that big spring on it, which keeps it squished in place. So just loosen it. And going. There we go. Starts getting easier. There we go. And it's easy now. There we go. Take it off. So that's just a little plastic bolt thing that's on, and then we can just pull it off. Stop for a second. Okay, so now that we've got it, this should just push out. So let's pull it out from here. Clips out. So there we go. So it just pulls out from there, and then we can disconnect the wiring. The wiring's there. Okay, so there's a little piece of plastic here pushed down. This is often the hardest thing on these jobs. Pulling these little plugs, electric plugs out. Stop there. Okay, the fiddliest thing is getting this plastic out, getting the connector off. So let me just push back in. I think it's going to be a little bit easier if we do it from here. You can see better. There we go. So there's that little clip there. You pull that out. Once that's pulled out, there we go. Far easier if you do it there. You can see better. Now that should come out. It's as easy as that. So once you have it out, you can then obviously change your bulbs. This will be super easy. Just pull those. Oh, I'm guessing you'll be pulling this clip off here. Pulling these clips up here and off. And this thing will come off. Pull that up. See, that side's come up. The other side, which is clipped in. Let's pull that there. There we go. And now, taking that piece off, and there you have it. That's that one. So that one just goes in there, so it goes in, and you can see it just turns around a tiny bit. So lock it in. So that's how you change that one. that's the type of bulb. They'll be like a $5 bulb. That will not be expensive at all. Chew it back in. Should give it a wipe before I put it back in to get some grease off it. This one. Holding that in. So this is a bit of a pain to get off this thing, to access the main bulb. You got to get a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. With a flathead screwdriver, if you pull it off there, this little clip, there's a clip there, so that comes up pretty easy there, super easy. And then you need to undo it the other side. So you get it here, push it up there, and just carefully ease it up there. Carefully ease it up. There you go. This side again. There we go, that side up there. Down the back, and there you go. And can you see? That's the reason why it's hard is because it goes in that little clip there and a little clip at the other side there. So on that plastic, there's a bulb. There's the little clips on the inside there which go into those holes. So that's why it's a bit tricky pulling that thing off. But anyway, that's what it looks like. It's as straightforward as that. You can see all the clips to clip it back in. And when you see, that's what it looks like. If that's what it looks like literally after 10 years of never ever been taken off, just looks a mess. You can see all the water and the crap just flows down there and flows down the back and then goes down there. So we'll give that a good clean. Before I put this back on, I'll clean all of this back up again and push it back in. And as you can see, it just clips in these little clips and in these holes here. So that's what that looks like. That's the bulbs. The main bulb there. That's what it looks like. That's got your main. That's your main lights and your brake light that's in there. What is that bulb? No idea. But hey, you look online. It's going to be pretty standard. Not going to be hard. You can see they're both the same size for the flasher and that. So it's as simple as that. Shove it back in. These are fine. These work perfect. There's no issue with these, so I'll just shove these back in. Okay, so I'll shove it back on. Better give it a wipe, get all the finger grease back off it. Shove it back in there. That just clips straight in, as you can see. Better give this one a quick wipe as well. Since I've put all my finger grease on it. Shove it back in the hole. Simple as that. Get this little thing that goes over the top of it. There's wires through. Okay, so you just shove the plastic back on and then it'll just clip over the top. Clips back into place. That's in. And shove that wire around the back there. It's got these little areas for it to go. That's very much ready. So we now just need to shove this back in place. Literally shove it back in place. Once it's in, shove the wiring back in there and then screw the bolt back in. Screw it back in and it's done. So guys, it's as easy as that to replace the bulbs in this. Literally, it's just one plastic bolt that's holding it in on a spring. The thing just, as you can see, it just clips in into these little clips here and a little clip at the bottom there. Clips in and it's all pretty straightforward just to pull these out. Okay, one thing I missed, you've got to put this back on. Interesting, important thing about this is it's got a thick rubber washer on the back of this. You can see it's like about 4 mil thick, 4, 5, maybe even 6 mil thick. That's pretty thick, that rubber. Why that is so important is that's what fits on there. And when you tighten it up at the other side, that is what gives it a clean, perfect fitment to here and stops any water. When the water comes down here and goes around the back, that rubber stops any water from going inside your car. So you can see this is 10 years old now. Still looks perfect, doesn't it? Nothing wrong with it. And the lights, the bulbs have never been changed in this, and it's still perfect. So it's pretty good. So I'll shove it back on. You can see I've just cleaned it all up now, so this is going to look perfect when I shove it back on, and I know it's going to fit nicely. So yeah, shove that back on. So this just goes back on here, which goes that way. You see there. Clip it back in. Clip back in. You can feel the clips. Here, clip in, which is perfect. That's clipped in. Shove it back in, so shove the wires through. I'll give that a bit of a clean as well. I'll clean that up, but hey, I can do that afterwards now because that's pretty clean. Shove it in, line the holes up well, and literally it's just going to go in there. Get the screw around the back. Screws in there. We'll screw it into place. There we go. That tightens it up. You can feel it tightening up in here. And just need to connect the wire up, and that is done. That's as easy as that.